Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's Workshop. Today we're going to talk about how to use paste wax on your woodworking machines. You'll be amazed at the difference of the ease that your work slides through your woodworking machinery if you put some paste wax or even a floor wax on the table. Here's some finishing wax. Floor wax works, whatever you have handy. Daub a little bit on the rag. Get a nice coat everywhere. These grooves are really important when you use jigs and features like a cross-cutting sled or any kind of jigs that have runners on them. You want to keep your grooves nice and lubricated. Now I have a nice layer of wax applied. I'm just going to buff it out with a clean part of my rag. I can really feel it becoming less resistance even on my rag. My table saw is unplugged, by the way. And here's a little demonstration you can do at home. Push your jigs through the table saw, like without the wax, and then go ahead and add a little wax to your runners. You'll be amazed the difference you feel. It feels great. You're going to love it. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but that feels a lot better. A lot more pleasant to use, a lot safer as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you use paste wax on your woodworking machines.